So first, go to upwork.com and you need to click sign up button obviously because gagawa nga tayo ng bagong account. So when you click sign up, select here, I'm a freelancer and looking for work, and click apply as a freelancer. Then you have options here if you want to fill out the form manually or you can continue with your Google account. So kung wala pa kayong Google account, sign up na lang kayo. Madali lang naman siyang gawin. So just like go to Gmail and enter your name and your preferred email address. So in this case, nakagawa na ako ng email address for this tutorial. So this is what I'm going to use. So here, you need to fill out the form obviously with your first name, last name, email, password, and create my account. So let's do that. Okay, so congratulations, your account has been created. So for now, you need to verify your email address so that you can log in successfully. So let's check our Gmail. So it's here, Upwork notifications, verify your email address. So just click verify email. So congratulations, your account is verified, redirecting. Okay, so here it is. So hey, Upwork is ready for your next big opportunity. So let's get started. So a few quick questions. So first, since you are a beginner, you just select I am brand new to this, or you can skip it. So let's skip for now, I guess. So got it. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? So obviously to earn my main income. I will select to earn my main income. Then next, and how would you like to work? I'd like to find opportunities myself, or I'd like to package up my work for clients to buy. So let's select I'd like to find opportunities myself and click this I'm open to contract to our opportunities. So let's click that as well. Next, create a profile. So you have a few options here. You can import from LinkedIn, upload your resume, or fill out manually. So let's do the fill out manually option. Then okay, next is you enter your professional role. So let's say you are a virtual assistant, or let's say general assistant. Yeah. Okay. The next, add your experience. So if you have relevant work experience, add it here. Then you can set your work experience here. So add nyo na lang. Then let's say ikaw ay naging general admin assistant at a company, let's say Microsoft. So these are examples lang. So kung meron kayong relevant experience, i-add nyo na lang. Then location is Philippines. City pala, sorry. Quezon City. So then check nyo lang kung you are currently working there or hindi na. So ngayon hindi ko siya check. Start obviously the date, let's say 2019 to January 2022. Then yung description nyo siguro, ilagay nyo yung description kung meron man. Kung wala, pwede namang skip na lang. So save. Then next, add your education. Obviously you need to add your school, degree, and etc. I guess. So save, click next, add language. So obviously you need to know English here because syempre clients mo is foreign. So kailangan marunong ka mag-English kahit basic. So dito lagay natin conversational for this example. Then you can add your other languages like Tagalog or anything. So I will Tagalog. Add natin yung Tagalog kasi marunong naman tayo mag-Tagalog obviously. Then fluent or native or bilingual. Then next, add your skills. So ito na. So lagay mo yung skills mo as a general VA in this case. So let's say marunong tayo mag-email, email newsletter, email, calendar, assistant, virtual assistants. So lagay nyo lang yung mga skill nyo dito na kung ano man yung skill nyo na kaya nyo i-offer sa client sa Upwork. Receptionist, admin support. Yan. Okay na siguro yan. So we can add 15 skills daw. Maximum of 15 skills sabi dito. So add nyo lang. Then next, write an overview. Hindi nyo alam yung ilalagay nyo dito. Pwede tayong mag-chat GPT. So let's say, let's open chat GPT. So obviously, kung wala kayong account, kailangan nyo mag-sign up. Kung meron naman, login na lang, diba? Okay, naka-login na ako sa chat GPT. So ngayon, we are going to create our bio for our Upwork profile. So let's say, I'm going to put a prompt here na create an Upwork bio. I am going to work as general, or kung ano man yung title na nilagay nyo. So as you can see, ayan na, nag-generate na siya. Pwede natin gamitin to, or kung gusto nyo, mas maikli pa. So gusto ko kasi mas maikli pa. So I will put another prompt, make it short. So ayan na. Yan, okay na siguro to. So copy lang natin, then paste natin dito syempre. So lagay nyo yung name nyo. Obviously, a skill general assistant. So okay na to. I choose. Ayusin lang natin ng konti kasi yung mga spacing from ChatGPT is hindi siya nag-format dito. Pag kinapi-paste nyo. Next, choose your categories. So select for a service. So in this case, we are going to work as a general assistant. Let's select admin support. Then virtual assistants, say data entry. So yan, okay na yan siguro. So sa ngayon, yan na lang muna. Then next, set your rate. So as a beginner, tingin ko okay yung $8 per hour. Yan na yung pinaka-minimum ko for me as a beginner. So lagay natin. Then syempre, si Upwork service fee, 10% yan nung hourly rate mo. So meron silang charge. So and your total per hourly rate is $7.20. Then next, add your photo and location and your date of birthday as well. Siyempre, huwag nyo kalimutan yung profile photo nyo. Upload. Meron akong profile dito na pinili or na ginawa pala. So ito yung lalagay ko. So kaya siya yellow kasi mas okay kung ganito yung profile photo nyo para mas mag-stand out kayo pag magsasubmit kayo ng proposals. So kaya ganyan siya. Okay? Then attach photo. Then you see it's uploading. So once you're done, review your profile. Then next, we are going to submit your profile for approval. So tingnan natin kung automatic siyang ma-approve or hindi. So yan, click submit. So nice, Upwork, your profile is ready. So it's time to start bidding on roles that are perfect fit for your skills. So let's say view my profile. So ito na yung profile natin. Yan, bagong gawa. So ayan, okay na. So sa ngayon, kailangan mo muna siyang i-complete. So dapat kasi ito is 100% siya. So kung meron pa kayong employment history, i-add nyo lang. Yan, magdagdag kayo kasi kanina nilagay natin is isa lang. Yan, yung employment history natin. Tapos yan, dyan sa portfolio, kung may work samples kayo, lagay nyo na rin. Then, education, so dagdag. Video introduction, mas okay. So, recommended ko to na meron kayong ganito. Then, certifications, then other experience. So, mas okay kung idadagdag nyo tong mga to para maging 100% yung profile nyo. And, yun, once it's complete, pwede na kayong mag-submit ng proposals. So, at the beginning, meron kayong 50 connects. Yan, ayan yung binibigay ng Upwork sa mga bagong register na profile and bagong approve. Then, pwede mo rin ilagay yung reference mo. Yan, so, andito yung proposals and all. So, yun lang siya. So, ngayon, meron ka ng Upwork profile. And that's it for this video. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang video na to, please like, share, and subscribe. Good luck on your freelancing journey and see you on the next video.